Yo, yo, it's your boy Houston Burris. Okay, right quick, because I'm in a rush. A lot of people asked for a video explaining how I do 60-second to 5-minute trades. Usually it's no higher than 1 minute. As you can see, I have the 1 minute option selected here. I'm just gonna go ahead and hit this. This is like my first ever Nike trade, but clearly, um, as you can see, I'm gonna just give you a brief explanation of the technique, and then we'll get into some in-depth stuff later. Basically, we have here a chart that has a whole bunch of little hashes. It's so that's telling me that it is not too much going on, just like frequent movement. But it's spaced pretty good. Nothing really quick, like boom, 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 boom. You can't trade this method that way. The moves have to be at least 40 seconds apart. And then basically how it works is tit for tat. If it's up, it's going to go down. If it's down, it's going to go up. Come on, people. It's a stock market. It's not freaking, I don't know, like rocket science. There are more complex things that you have to take into account with your indicators, like your RSI and so on and so forth, which I'm sure you experienced traders understand all of that stuff already. And if you don't, of course, we can get into that, or you can get some of the trainings. I'm sure Andre has tons of trainings about that. Here we are with 5 seconds about to close, and then we're another 3 seconds about to close here. And that's a quick example. We can go into another pair. Well, this was Nike, actually, and like I said, I don't really trade Nike stock often, but just so happened I was looking at the conditions for my trading method that are optimal for this example, just to kind of quiet the speculation and the skepticism. I'm going to do another one here with the Euro USD, which, as you can see, it is as a much faster rate of activity, strike rate. It's actually noticed here. Your strike rate, like I said, has to be about 40 seconds apart for the 60-second trade or the 90-second trade to be extremely effective. But underneath the high-low concept that I use, sometimes, well, most of the time, you can fairly accurately determine what's going on. All right, this is actually what I call gain, or a bump, if you will. But bumps typically establish ceilings, and we're looking at a ceiling of 25 right now, 110, 26, and it's teetering like it wants to go up, but I don't think it's strong enough to. So once again, we're gonna set. I'm not gonna bet as much as I just won because I want to keep my winnings here, but we're gonna set this. We're setting this on a what did I hit? Was it 60-second? Yeah, it's 60-second. You see right there. And we're 40 seconds in, based on the fact that it already told us that the top was 25, and that means that there's a bottom that has yet been determined, and that's what we're looking at right this second, is a bottom that is to be determined. And once it hits that floor, which it should right here in a couple seconds, it's gonna strike right back up. See that? See that? Up. It's close to the floor. It's gonna strike right back up. Okay, but we're 14 seconds good into our trade. This is an example. Once again, it's your boy Houston Burris. This is a quick example. We'll get into it further in further videos. Thank you.